Hello everyone, this is Adam's Fascinating Fire Alarms here, and today we'll be reviewing our 49.3.1919. So here it is. Here's the 49.3.1919, as you can see. Here's the back of the two. And this is a chemical horn, as you can see. Here I have screw terminals. So for these screw terminals right here, this is for a horn, and these screw terminals is for a strobe. So yeah, you could hook these both at the same time if you want to. You can either hook it up to the horn, or you could hook it up to the strobe. It doesn't matter to me, or you could do it both. I'd rather do it both next time if I could do my first system test videos. So yeah, here we have the sticker to it. And here's a horn inside of it. There's also different kinds of these, of 49.3s. One's are the electronic speakers, or horns, electronic horns, and one's for the speakers that put into the voice announcements, like the Simplex announcements to put it on it. It doesn't matter to me. And here we have the strobe. As you can see, here's the strobe right there. And this strobe, that will work. That will flash very fast. And here's a horn on the inside of it too, as you can see. Now, what the Simplex 49.3.1919 can do is you can hook it up to wires, putting into a horn, and putting it to a strobe. This strobe can flash very fast. Some of the other Simplex alarms, this only can do flash normally, and some of them can show very slow. Some of the other horns, like this one, some of them they can do the electronic horns, and some of like this, they have with speakers that can do the voice announcements, like you can pick whatever, like the Simplex announcements, like the ones with the whoop, and ones for the code 3, and all that kind of stuff on the Simplex horn like this, or on the Simplex speaker, looks like this. Sometime on eBay, I might have to get another one like this, except I might have to get the electronic horn like this. This is a chemical horn. But this is a Simplex 49.3.1919. But this is pretty cool. And here we have the screws right there, as you can see. Here's the screws that goes on this plate here, as you can see. And there's also a strobe I need to get. Now, some of these Simplex fire alarms, they don't have like the strobe like this. Only if it has a horn. But what you can do is you can hook them up. If you can find a conduits and the back boxes, you can put in between it. You can put it between it into the horn and into the strobe. That will connect it both at the same time between the strobe and to the horn without a strobe. So yeah, there's all different kinds of ones with no strobe on it. But this one does have a strobe. Some of the others don't have a strobe, but you can take this and you can place it along into this horn or electronic horn like this. Some of the other alarms they have like the side up that looks like this, which is a fire was on the cross of it, and some of it are ceiling mounts too. But yeah, now I'm gonna wire this up, the horn, and see how loud this can take. So I did put the tape on the horn so it's not so loud. But I'm gonna cover this thing on in my ears just in case how loud this thing can take. Make sure to turn your volume down, and 3, 2, 1. That was loud. Now I'm gonna try to do a strobe. Maybe next time I could probably hook it both together to make it do a strobe and a horn together. Now it's on the strobe. Now let's test it out, see what happens. And 3, 2, 1. So yeah. Great condition. And that was a review of the Simplex 4903 1919. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching. This is Adam's Fascinating Fire Alarms, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Take care, everybody.